Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our maths online class. Let's start it. Color the greater number. We have to color the greater number. We have to color the biggest number. Okay, now look at here. Which number is this? 7. And which number is this? 4. We have to color the greater number. 7 is the greater number. Then we have to do the color. Look at here. What is this? Pencils. We have to color the greater number. 4 is the greater number. We have to color in number 4. Now look at here. What is this? Cloud. We have to color the greater number. 1 is greater or 3 is greater? 3 is a greater number. Now look at here. What is this? Dog. Which number is